Y'all, man. CJ's game, bro. Better take it off the lot, man. You feel me? I don't even know which way to go. My navigation. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if I got navigation or I probably don't. I really don't know if I do or don't, though. I ain't gonna lie. I don't see it, though. So I'm guessing I don't have it. But I need my phone for navigation, so I ain't gonna be able to record this part. But y'all stay tuned, though. Y'all, we got 12 miles on here. We're 14 now. But yeah, man, I ain't gonna lie. Bro, I don't know what to do. I'm scared. Ah! You feel me? But, bro, listen, man. Listen, y'all. Listen. Bro, go for y'all dreams in life, man, because you can get whatever you choose, man. Just put God first and you feel me? You'll have it, you know? Bro, I keep saying I'm finna go, but I ain't gonna lie. I gotta record for y'all. I got to, bro. I gotta record for y'all. Woo! Dang, this boy pushing. I ain't even hit it yet. Bro, I ain't even hit it yet. This boy already pushing. Dang. I gotta chill, bro. I ain't even did nothing yet, bro. This joker already going crazy. I ain't gonna, I'm gonna have to get some new mirrors things. Not the mirror thing, but I gotta get like the mirrors that go on the look, like the circle mirrors that let you see like extra stuff. I gotta get them, cause I ain't gonna lie. Ooh, oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh my god! I never in my life drove nothing this fast. Ain't gonna lie. Now real talk, I ain't gonna lie. This may be like. Now I ain't gonna lie. I did drive a Hellcat. It was 500 horsepower. You know, I did drive that, so that was pretty fast. But I ain't gonna lie. This like the fastest car I've ever owned by far. I had a V6 Camaro before this, so yeah. Like, nah, but we trying to see like. Bro, I can't cut up in traffic already, can I? I don't know, bro. I ain't trying to go too crazy. Ooh, that thing sound good, bro. Just wait till I learn how to downshift. Oh my God, this thing sound good. And I ain't even got the pipes cut or none of that. Like, I need to chill though, but I'm on the highway. It's hard to chill when you on the highway, bro. Like, no cap, but. And then. Bro, this is crazy. I just need to make sure that I can see out my mirrors. I set my mirrors already, but still. But the world, bro. 300 Chrysler. Mazda. Now, let me stop playing. I ain't gonna lie, I was driving a little slider. I still am, though. I ain't gonna lie, I still got a slider. Oh, he trying to race. Uh-oh, see, that's what you messed up at. Don't let me put this thing in sport, bro. Please don't make me put it in sport, bro. I will put it in sport, but I'm chilling right now. We in street, you feel me? I ain't gonna put it in sport until like, I'm gonna do a whole video like putting it in sport, I think. Oh my God, this thing sound good. And it's pulling. Dang, I love this car already, bro. I love this car, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This is crazy, bro. I need to make sure I can see on my blind side though, cause bro, I ain't gonna lie. I know a lot like Atlanta traffic, bro, with the blind side. It's hard to see sometimes. And I think I got it though. I ain't gonna lie, I'm just chatting right now, y'all. Y'all want me to get y'all a little pull real quick? Hold on. And y'all remember, we still in Eco, bro. We still in Eco, bro. So just remember that. I want to give a little pull though. I'm gonna slow down some. And then I'm gonna give a little pull. Hold on. Ooh! Oh my God. This mother pulling. Ooh! Ooh! Ooh, ooh, but it more kicked me back to my seat. I ain't even in sport mode, but it's still fast. Stop playing with your boy, cause he gonna let it hit the gas. That was an L rap, but still, bro, y'all get what I'm saying. Hey, I'm happy right now. I don't care, bro. If y'all watching this and think I'm lame, I don't care, bro. I really don't care, bro. I got a Scat pack. I got a Scat pack Widebody. You feel me? Stop playing. But real talk, it's a lot of traffic, bro. So I probably ain't gonna be able to capture no more footage right now. But I'm gonna come back to y'all like whenever it's fun stuff happening. I don't know. But yeah, I need to be focused, I ain't gonna lie. Cause it is a lot of traffic in Atlanta. It's about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, so it's lunch. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all go. Dang, see? I'm not trying to end up like that. You feel me? I wrecked my car once before and I ain't doing that again. Praising the God. I mean, thanks. Bye. Alright, y'all, man. So I finally found out how to connect the maps. Yeah, we lit now. What? POG. What the hell? POV drives. Everybody passed me because, like, I ain't going crazy, but I was trying to find out how to connect the maps. You know what I'm saying? But now we got the maps connected, bro. We Gucci now, bro. We Gucci. You feel me? Like, now we get the... Yeah. And we still ain't even in sport mode, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But we going crazy a little bit. It's a brand new car, so they say you gotta break a brand new car in. But I mean, honestly, if a car can go, it can go. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, bro, we got a little POV drive, bro. I'm gonna be trying to. Well, I ain't gonna try. I'm gonna cut up a little bit of traffic, man. I ain't gonna go too crazy, bro. Just cause like it is my first day with the car, bro, and bro, don't nobody want nothing crazy to happen on the first day. We ain't gonna speed that into existence, but y'all allowed to get it. Listen, bro, I'm so excited, happy. Like, it's crazy, bro. Like, but there's a lot of traffic as I see, so we ain't going crazy at all, for real. But yeah, man, I'm just happy, bro. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm happy, bro. And I just know if I could do it, bro, y'all could do it too, man. And I'm gonna help y'all be able to do it, bro. Like I told you, I'm gonna be making videos explaining like how I did what I did and all that good stuff. So y'all just know that y'all got your boy Caleb J. Cho to help y'all. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Further ado, man, y'all stay tuned. We probably gonna cut off the camera because it ain't nothing but traffic right now, anyways. But we gonna get used to doing these POV drives. I ain't gonna lie. My first one might be a little trash, but we gonna get it right. We gonna get it right. No cap. Scat pad, we got it in sport right now, man. We finna hit it in sport for the first time. I'm gonna just do one little pull in sport, and then that's gonna be it. We gonna take it out of sport. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna need two hands for sure. Ooh, I'm gonna need two hands for sure. Until I get comfortable with it, bro. I can do it, but I don't wanna go too crazy with one hand. And nah, it's polices out here, boy. I just passed by a bad wreck, boy. I ain't gonna lie. It was a Camaro, boy. Somebody them Camaros, man. Golly. Woo. Okay. I ain't going too crazy, but I'm just giving y'all a little stump. That's it, a little stump. But I ain't gonna lie, this thing going crazy, bro. Already, bro. No cap, man. Y'all watch all these ads, bro. We finna go up with all these little POV drives and all that good stuff, man. No cap. Okay. Woo! This joker go fast. I need to slow down though. Yeah, it's police out here somewhere. I need to slow down. And I ain't got no 10. I'm holding the phone. Yeah, I'm tripping. I'm gonna go ahead and put this phone down though. I just want to give y'all that, man. Smash the like button, okay? Ooh, good morning. Good morning, my baby. It ain't even morning no more, but I don't care. You feel me? Y'all, man, this is the next day. I'm having my Widebody Scat pad. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm finna give him that cold start. Hey, y'all, we gotta think of a name, bro. No cap. We gotta think of a name for the car. Y'all let me know. And we finna go get tent, like, soon. So y'all stay tuned for that. All right. Cold start. Y'all ready, man? Let's see. It ain't really cold because it ain't morning, but like you hear it though. You hear it though. Stop playing. Real talk. But that's all loud. I ain't gonna lie. My boy that pulled up, man. He finna get me right. Oh yeah. He finna do the tent for the Scat pad. You feel me? I ain't gonna show y'all too much right now because I still gotta like do the car tour and everything. But y'all already know, man. We finally finna get the tent done, man. Ain't no more see-through like this, bro. You feel me? Like, just chill. Y'all ain't gonna be able to know who I am for real.
Hey man, cause my little cousins and shit wanna goddamn do the same. Like,
you feel me?
I'm inspiring and shit.
Y'all see it? Who in the car? We don't know. Jeez. Y'all see it? No cap. Y'all see it, bro. It's nighttime, man. We got tent. We got, I can't even say that on camera. And then we got the tent over here. You feel me? Y'all can't even see it anymore. Oh my, dang. Y'all see me? Hey. How y'all doing, man? You know what I'm saying? We got bad window action. Ooh. Oh my God. Pressure. No cap. The only way y'all can see in here is that the light on in the inside. I ain't gonna lie. Sheesh. Twin got his front window tinted too. Stop playing. You already can't see in yours. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah. Nah,
You already dark.
Nigga, look at the front of the black.
Okay.
Crazy.
Nah, we gotta check it out. Hold on. Nah, you can't even. You can see.
I feel like it's this light right
Yeah, the light probably right
Yeah.
here making it. But you really can't even see enough for real.
That's it.
Ooh.
They ain't gonna know who's in it.
Hey, God.
Till I hop out.
Sheesh. You gonna hop out with the real fit.
Yeah.
Stop playing.
All black.
Oh, God, but it's Scat, though.
What's that? That made the car
Oh, God, it make it look so much better, bro.
That shit made that bitch look fierce, nigga.
But what? It's crazy. No cap. I like to know, man. Stay tuned for the whole car tour. You feel me? Ooh. Sheesh.
Whatever the fuck you want of that, bitch.
No, you can't even see. You can't even see in there, bro. Who in there, bro? We don't know. Nah, that's crazy. Oh, God. Oh, God, that's crazy. Y'all see it, man. We done tinted out the Scat. You feel me? Yes, sir. Look out, bro. And I just got the editing vid. Y'all tune into that video. It's already dropped by the time y'all see this video. We gonna get in I'm gonna do a little tour and everything, man. Y'all already know, but y'all stay tuned to it, man. No cap.